Mom's greenhouse. All right, greenhouse seen better days. This is the corn I gave her that I got from a fellow gardener. The corn was way down here. A few months later, look at that corn. Definitely growing my corn this way next year. But what I did is I bought a lot of my peppers over here. So I'm over here just helping Mom in the greenhouse, do a little cleaning, getting ready for the winter. We're gonna move banana and some of the citrus trees in here. So just doing a little straightening. Okay, you find the area. I guess you can tuck the bananas and citrus. Yeah, we'll find a place for them. Here's the dragon fruit. One here. I was thinking that maybe she can move those in the house. I don't see any other dragon fruit. There's supposed to have been a few of them. She probably already moved those indoors. But I was telling her, no, this still out here. I was telling her since this wasn't doing anything, maybe this piece of dragon fruit, maybe it's time to put it in dirt. It does have roots. So the goal next year is to have dragon fruit. As far as the greenhouse, seen better days. Look like it got hit by a meteor. We're gonna cover it with some greenhouse plastic. Try to save it. Get some front doors. All right. And that's what I'm doing today. YouTube, what's going on? At Mom's house today, checking on her greenhouse. Haven't been over here since, over a month. So, not sure how everything looks, but we get to see it at the same time. Okay, not too bad. I told her that since we've been in the 50s during the day, there's no sense of having all this heat on. So this is her space heater, and this is another heater. I'm going to turn this down a little bit because it doesn't have to be super hot in here. I'm not sure how to turn this off, so I'm going to unplug it. But yeah, I wanted to check on her stuff here, make sure everything's doing okay. I know it's been a long time since she had a front door, and what happened is a lot of stuff we had in here just died. A lot of the peppers that I gave her, yeah, they're gone. Sad part about it, some of these peppers I've had for almost 3 years because I've been overwintering them, but all the peppers I gave her are done. That's sad. These are the 2 banana trees that were doing very well. Looks like they're gone. I'm going to water them in anyway since I'm here, because a lot of this stuff hasn't been watered in weeks. She's been gone now probably about 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, returning in another 4 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks. So don't want her to come back to everything's dead. So we're going to save what we can. All right. We're going to go this way. Because this is clogged up, okay. This banana tree looked like it's still safe. Still kind of safe, so water that in. This water is funky. she kind of knew that a lot of this stuff wouldn't do well while she was gone, because it wasn't getting watered. And then, like I said before, some things just really took a beating, like this corn. It took a beating because of the cold temperatures, because of the front door wasn't here. It took forever getting someone to come in here and at least make these doors. I think right now our temperature, what are we? We feel like we're about 93 in here. Ugh, that water stunk. My nose is just turned upside down. But the heat in here is adequate. This is adequate. Tonight we're supposed to dip down into the 30s. For the next 2-3 weeks, it's going to dip down to the 30s, 38 at night. But just wanted to take you all with me, show you the inside of my mom's greenhouse. Looking real jungly right now because of she's not here to take care of it, of course. And I kind of work too much to come by like I should. But I think I am going to come by next Friday, or possibly even Thursday, just to, I don't know, everything's dead. But I'll probably just water what I can water. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the greenhouse, the bomb shelter. Getting an update. She said she left some lemons on a tree, but I don't see any at the moment. But I do see some buds and her Meyer lemon. I'll tell you, her lemon trees are looking way better than mine.